Welcome back to the online class of AIS. I am Shormishta Das, your maths teacher. Today I am going to start with exercise 3E of your R.S. Agarwal book of factorization of polynomial. Let's get started. Exercise 3E is based on factorization of sum or differences of cubes. So x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y, x square minus xy plus y square. X cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y, x square plus xy plus y square. So you can see that there is sum of cubes and difference of cubes. I will be mainly using these two formulas for solving the sums. So let's start with the sums. The first sum that I am going to solve is sum number 2, that is 27a cube plus 64b cube. So 27a cube means 3a whole cube plus 64b cube can be written as 4b whole cube. So this is x cube plus y cube. So what is the formula? X plus y, that means 3a plus 4b into x square, that means 3a whole square, so 9a square minus x into y, that is 3a into 4b, this dot means multiplication, plus 4b whole square, that is 16b square. So 3a plus 4b, 9a square, 3 into 4 gives you 12ab plus 16b square. So this is my answer. Sum number 6, 7a cube plus 56b cube. So 7 I have to take common, then only I can get the square term, that is a cube plus 8b cube, as I have taken 7 common, is equal to 7. A cube plus 8b cube can be expressed as 2b whole cube. So this is my x cube plus y cube. X is equal to a and y equals to 2b. So I will get a plus 2b, that is x plus y, into x square, that is a square, minus xy, that is a into 2b or 2a into b, plus 2b whole square, that is 4b square. So I have got 7 will remain as it is, a plus 2b into a square 2ab plus 4b square. So this is my answer. Now I am going to solve sum number 18. My question is x to the power 4, y to the power 4 minus xy. So xy again I have to take common so that I can get cube terms. X cube, y cube minus 1, as xy I have taken common. So xy, x cube, y cube can be written as xy whole cube minus 1 cube. So x cube minus y cube can be written as x minus y, so xy minus 1 into x square means xy whole square. So xy whole square means x square y square plus xy into 1, because the formula is xy into 1. So xy plus 1, that is 1 square will give me 1. So this is my ultimate answer. Now I am going to solve sum number 30, that is x cube minus 7x cube minus 8. So first I am substituting x cube as y. So I have written substituting x cube equals to y. So this can be written as x cube whole square, which means 6, minus 7x cube minus 8 is equal to, now I am substituting the value, that is y square minus 7y minus 8. Now I am expressing it in middle term factor. 8 into 1 gives me 8 and minus 8y plus y gives me minus 7y. So I have written y square minus 8y plus y minus 8. I have taken y common, so I have got y minus 8. From these two terms, I have taken 1 common. So, I have got y minus 8. Both the sides I have got y minus 8 common. So, I have written y minus 8 into y plus 1. Now, I am putting x cube back in place of y. So, x cube minus 8, x cube plus 1. Now, 8 can be expressed as x cube minus 2 cube and 1 can be expressed as x cube plus 1 cube. So, this means x cube minus y cube. So, this gives me x minus y, x square plus 2 into x plus 4. Similarly, from here I will get x plus 1, x square minus xy, that is x into 1, gives me x plus 1. So, this is my answer. Now, the question of 31 is x cube minus 3x square plus 3x plus 7. So, x cube, what I am doing over here, I am just adding and subtracting 1 from both the sides so that I can express it in the form of cubes. So, x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 1 plus 7 plus 1. So that plus minus can be cancelled and I am not bringing any extra term. So I have written x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 1 plus 7 plus 1. So this can be expressed as x minus 1 whole cube plus 7 plus 1, 8. So, x minus whole cube plus 8 can be expressed as 2 cube. So, this is my x, this is my y. So, x cube plus y cube is given. So, x means x minus 1 plus 2. Then, x minus 1 whole square, because x square minus 2 into x minus 1 minus 2 into x minus 1 plus 2 square, that is 4. So, x over here plus 1 minus 1 will be subtracted and sign will be plus. So, x plus 1. So, over here x minus 1 whole square, that is x square minus 2x plus 1 minus 2x minus minus plus 2 into 1, 2. So, I have written 2 plus 4. So, x plus 1, x square minus 2x minus 2x gives me minus 4x. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. So, this is my ultimate answer. So, here we come to the end of this exercise. Hope you understood. Thank you, students.